Hey, it's Sam from Hanko Trade, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a stop loss and take profit on an existing order, and also how to modify your stop loss and take profit once you've added one. So, as you can see right here, we're in a short position on the pound US dollar, okay? But there is no stop loss or take profit at this current time. So, how can we modify it? Or how can we, add a stop loss and take profit? Well, it's very simple. We can just right click at any point, click stop, and now we can actually add the stop loss that we want to have. So there's two ways you could do this. You could do it by price. So if you actually find the price point, if I move this window just over here, so if we find the actual price point we're interested in for where the stop loss should be, and the take profit, we can just type it in, or we can do it by distance as well, okay, measured in pips. So for example, say I only want to risk 10 pips on this trade. I can just put 10 pips. It gives me the projected loss in this case. So the projected loss for the stop loss would be $144, and it's as simple as that. So that is a very useful tool to have to actually see the projected profit and loss. We can also set a trailing stop loss should we want to. But yeah, so let's do it by price. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab the exact area on the chart we're interested in. So we're going to go probably around here. So 25263. 25263. Okay, we're going to add a stop right there at 25263. So let me just move that. 2526716 and then 3. Okay, so a 7.9 stop loss. Click OK. And there we go. Our stop loss has now been added. Now take profit, exact same method, exact same style as well for the take profit. So we're going to put a take profit right at the low here at 25,097. So we're going to go to limit this time, 097. There we go. And that is our stop loss added and take profit added. Okay. So what if we want to modify it? What if right now we're looking and we're saying, well, actually, I think price might go down even more. Maybe, price might go down a few more pips down. Or maybe the stop loss you want to modify, you want to give it a bit more breathing room. Whatever the case, we can do that as well. So you can do it just how we added it. Okay, so just by right clicking, go to stop and enter the new price. And same with the limit, or same with the buy, the take profit, Go to limit, change the price, change the pips, whatever it might be. So we could do it that way. That's not a problem. Or we can also do it through the chart. So let me just modify this chart, let me just maximize this chart, And if we right click, go to chart settings, and then go to display, we can actually click on open positions and close positions, okay, and show orders, etc. All right, so if we click apply, so you can actually see the stop loss and take profit. And at any point, what we can do is just right click, modify, and we can change them. Right click, modify, and as you can see, we're almost at the take profit. But if I want to move the take profit down a bit, okay, I'm just gonna add a few more pips, and now it's moved down. Okay, so very, very simple. Same with the stop loss. Say I'm pretty happy now that the stop loss, I can just right click the little flag here, and we gonna drop in a bit, and now it's like really far down, so it's now a stop loss within profit. Does that make sense? And also if it goes against me now, I can very easily We can look at the 1 minute chart so you can see a better idea. If it goes against me, it won't, basically I can't make a loss now. My stop loss is within profit as well. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So you can really modify your trade as you go. Okay, you don't have to stick with what you did originally. You can modify the trade as you go, but say right now you're happy with 69, 68 something dollars profit. At any point you can just click close position, okay, hit OK, and the position closes. So there we go, take profit was just achieved. We went from there to there, and if we go to close positions, you can see $93 is the close position that we took, and yeah, and we can see exactly where we entered and where we exited. So that is how you modify the stop loss and take profit of an existing order, and how you, that's how you add one on an existing order, and how you modify it as well and change it